Assalamu alaikum. How are you, sir?
Walaikum assalam. I am fine. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay. Best of luck.
Sir, your wallet, sir. Sir, you left this wallet on my skirt.
What?
Sir, please take your wallet.
Thank you, Shaidul. Thank you so much. Take these tips.
Only 10 taka. Do you think I am fucking me? Take back your money. I'm sorry.
Okay. Goodbye.
Sir, you are again leaving this your wallet.
Oh, I forget everything.
Take your wallet.
Thank you, Shaidul. Once again, goodbye. See you again.
Sir, টিপসটা একটু বেশি দিলে নিতাম।
Oh, I am sorry. Okay, I am fine. You take it.
Only 20 টাকা। ধরুন আপনার টাকাই লাগবে না।
Okay, goodbye.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।